Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Octavian Svetku and today I would like to show you how you can use an external microphone with your GoPro 5 action camera. But first things first, let's grab a coffee. We all know that the sound quality recorded with the GoPro 5 internal microphone is not that great. So you may want to use an external microphone in order to increase the quality of the sound recorded with your GoPro 5 action camera. I've seen on YouTube people using the GoPro 5 action camera as a vlogging camera. What they do, they are using a Rode video mic and they are sticking the microphone on top of the case of the GoPro 5 camera with using some glue or something like that. I've also seen better solutions. On Amazon you can buy some special cases where the external microphone and GoPro 5 camera are fitting better together. But I'm not using my GoPro 5 camera as a vlogging camera. I don't like to have such a big microphone on top of it. I'm using as an action camera. What I am using is this Rode Smart Lav Plus microphone. It's a lavalier microphone. It's a very good quality microphone. It's small and you have to put it in your t-shirt. This Rode Smart Lav Plus microphone costs around 50 bucks on Amazon and I bought it here in Switzerland with about 60 Swiss francs. What you also need is this GoPro 3.5mm adapter. This one is about 60-70 US dollars on Amazon. I bought it here in Switzerland with around 60 Swiss francs. No worries, I will put some links in the description below so it will be easier for you to buy the microphone and the adapter. In order to use your external microphone with the GoPro 5, which is put it in your tripod, you may want to remove first this. It's really easy, you have to put it to a 90 degrees angle and then you just pull it easy. It goes out very quickly. All you have to do is to first connect the 3.5mm GoPro adapter to your GoPro camera and then to connect the Rode SmartLav Plus external microphone. So quite easy. You are all set, you can start recording. Let's do a short test. So, how was it? Did you like it? I bet you heard nothing. Well, that's because there is a problem with the GoPro 5 and connecting to an external microphone. It would have been too easy. The funny thing is that the Rode SmartLav Plus external microphone is working just fine with my smartphone, is working just fine with my mirrorless camera, but is not working with my GoPro 5 action camera. So I started to dig the internet to see if there are other people having the same problem as me, and I came across this guy, Clint Gibbs, who was basically saying that if the GoPro is started and you hit the record button, it should work. Well, it didn't work in my case. Maybe because I bought the camera in Europe, he bought it in USA, maybe there is some differences, I don't know. The fact is that in my case it didn't work. After more searching the internet, I found a post on a forum and this guy was basically saying that you need another adapter in order to make the external microphone working with your GoPro 5 camera. So finally in 2019 GoPro updated their website and there is clearly saying that you need another adapter, an adapter from TRRS to TRS. The differences between these two are, how you can visually recognize is that the Rode SmartLav Plus microphone has three black circles here, and the adapter that you have to buy, I got one from Rode 2, it has only 2 black circles. Now let's compare the sound quality of the GoPro 5 with the internal microphone and with the external microphone. This is the GoPro 5 internal microphone test. This is the GoPro 5 external microphone test with the adapter. You can easily notice that the quality with the Rode external microphone is better than the quality with the internal microphone. That's all, friends. I hope this video will help someone out there. See you on the next one.